Greetings all. As Alva is looking into adding Oneworld to the Alpha League table with me, this video is how to use Oneworld for Alpha Season 7. If you want the why of it, there is a longer previous video available. Additive load in my mod, or hopefully Alva will have already included it in the mod, his table, so you won't need to add in this mod. It's separate at this point. Using Oneworld is just as simple as using the FTC map base, or possibly even simpler. I know when I first started learning it, it took me a long time to notice what all these extra little things did. I was learning about the dice roller, the secondary cards over here, the bags with psychic tokens, the raising and lowering tools. The Oneworld mod comes with a note card, which is basically simply stating what I am showing in this video. Simply click the I button tab there, wait a few seconds, depending on the power of your PC, then click the new lock button. After clicking the lock button, simply click either side of the world image to bring up the home screen. From here you can read the descriptions of what to do. So you now roll your 2d3, one at a time. If you get a result of 23, re-rolling it, 1 and 3, so mission 13, completely re-rolling a result of 23, not just the second dice. So mission 13, so I click twice on the X on the 13 to get to this next page. Now roll a d6 for which map you're going to play. Map 2. Double click the X next to the 2 for map 2. WC table 2, mission 13, build. Move this mission card out of the way, L to unlock it, drag it where you want to put it. You can either put it on the end, or you can make a copy of it, giving a copy to each player to be able to read what the special mission secondary is, etc. I will either also add the deployment zones into my mod, or at present, when you load in the deployment zones with the FTC base, is bringing in a second copy of all markers. Select that, select that, select that, select that, select that. Press delete. Now you have the ones that are flush to the table instead of the ones that are off the ground. Because the Oneworld already has the objective markers built in, when selecting the mission to bring up deployment zones, it also brings up a second copy of the markers over the top. As I've shown, you can either delete them all, one at a time, or simply change from Strike Force to Incursion, and that removes the one from above, and which have 3 states rather than just being the single state. Because of the way this piece of terrain is not actually level, it's different heights, that is why we had to manually adjust the heights of every mission marker, or I adjusted the heights of every mission marker to resolve some issues with pieces of terrain being in each other's way, such as when it is a forest interacting with the objective markers on other deployments, other map designs. One would be over the other, so you wouldn't be able to see the edge very easily. By having these 3 state markers, in that state you'll be able to see the edges of both. And the other issue is models wobbling off of the side of the objective markers when they're too high off the ground. Then, as normal, as stated in the missions, roll for deployment, etc., etc. Hope you have exciting, enjoyable, close matches in Alpha League and are doing well in real life. Best wishes, and thank you all for your time.